Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.2 question number 7. Write as fractions in lowest terms. The question is question is zero point 0.60. 0.60. It can be written as 60 by 100. We cut this 0 and if we divide both the numbers by 2, that is 2 3 is 6 and 2 5 is 10, then we are getting 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Question number B is 0.05. B is 0.05. It can be written as 5 by 100. You divide both the numbers by 5, that is 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10 and 0, and it will be 1 by 20. 1 by 20. Now question number C. C is equal to 0.75. 0.75. That is equal to 75 by 100. We divide this by 25, 5 by 5, and 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, it is 0, and again by 5, 5 3 is 15, and 5 4 is 20. That means we are getting here 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now question number D. Question number D is 0.18. 0.18. That is 0.18. It can be written as 18 by 100. You divide both the numbers by 2, that is 2 9 is 18, and 2 5 is 10, 0. That is equal to 9 by 50. 9 by 50. Right? Now question number E is 0.25. 0.25. Then it can be written as 25 by 100. If we divide it by 5, 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 0, again 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20, then it is equal to 1 by 4. And F is 0.125. It can be written as 125 by 1, 3 zeros, 1 2 3. If we divide the numbers by 5, we are getting 5 2 is 10, 0 0, then 5 2 is 10, 12, 5 5 is 25. You are going to divide by 5, that is 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20, 0, 5 1 is 5, and 5 8 is 40. That is 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. And G is 0.066. It can be written as 66 by 1 and after point 3 digits, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. If we divide it by 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, and divided by 2, 2 5 is 10, 0, 0, right? Then mean it is written as it is equal to 33 by 500, right? This is the solution of question number 7. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.